his name. New Mexico may join the ranks of states trying to tackle immigration reform. One state lawmaker wants to give illegal immigrants permission to work legally in the country if they don't have a criminal background. News 13's Katie Kim has details.
Jessica, Senator Steve Fischmann from Las Cruces made news recently after the Democrat announced he may switch his vote and agree to repeal the law that gives driver's licenses to illegal immigrants. Now he's about to make headlines again.
The feds are failing us.
Democratic Senator Steve Fischmann is trying to do what the feds haven't been able to, come up with a new immigration plan.
There's gridlock. They're not going anywhere.
Fischmann's proposal would change that. His bill would allow illegal immigrants to keep their jobs and licenses through what he calls a guest worker program. Foreign nationals who can prove they've been living in New Mexico since last year and who pay for a criminal background check and pass it would sign up through the state's Workforce Solutions Department to get a worker's permit and become legal immigrants. Fischmann says the current policy isn't working.
We make lawbreakers out of everybody with our current immigration policy, whether you're an employer or someone trying to get a job.
Fischmann says about 6% of New Mexico's workforce is undocumented, working mainly agricultural jobs.
It really strives to keep immigrant families together.
But the idea seems to be going nowhere fast.
To try and set up a state guest worker program is doomed to failure.
Republican Representative Dennis Kintai of Roswell says a guest worker program would be giving amnesty to thousands of immigrants who have broken federal laws.
They have broken the law, and that's the only way you can get a job if you're a foreign national out of status, is by making a false statement on that job application.
Kintai also says states have no authority to grant legal status to anyone.
It's a catch-22, and it's really unfair to these foreign nationals to hold out the hope that this can be done when in fact it can't.
Senator Fischmann also says the bill would mean a lot of workers would start paying taxes that haven't been. The bill would require federal approval. Back to you.
Okay, Katie, because it's a 30-day session, the governor decides what goes on the agenda. She said she could not comment on the bill today because she hasn't had a chance to review it. She has said that she believes immigration reform is a federal issue. It will be up to the governor to decide what gets